Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will start with session 2 of How Heavy How Light, chapter number 12. How much the chair weighs. Anamika wants to weigh this chair using the weighing machine. So if we put this chair on this weighing machine, as the weighing machine is in circular shape, the legs of the chair we cannot put all the legs of the chair on the weighing machine. So can you suggest a way for doing this? Okay, I'll tell you. See, first you have to stand up on the weighing machine and you have to check your weight. Then you have to take chair in your hand and then again see your weight. Then you have to subtract your weight plus chair minus your weight alone, right? So you will get the weight of the chair. Broken stones. Abdu sells firewood. There was a stone in his shop which weighed 13 kg. He used it to weigh firewood. One day the stone fell down and broke into 3 pieces which weighed 2 kg, 5 kg and 6 kg. But Abdu was very smart. He used those 3 pieces to weigh firewood of all weights from 1 kg to 9 kg. Here is how Abdu weigh 1 kg of firewood. See, in the one pen you can see 6 kg, in the another you can see 5 kg of stone. So rest of the 1 kg is firewood. Now you show how Abdu will use these stone pieces to weigh 4 kg of wood. So Abdu will put the firewood in one pan of the balance and 6 kg stone in the other. The pan with the stone will go down. Abdu will then put the 2 kg stone on the firewood and both the pans will become balanced. Thus Abdu will use 2 kg and 6 kg stones to weigh 4 kg of firewood. Now for 3 kg of firewood, you can see on the one side it is 5 kg, another side 2 kg of stone. So remaining firewood he'll balance. So he can weigh 3 kg of firewood. Likewise for 7 kg, on one side he'll put 5 kg plus 2 kg of stone, and on the another side he'll put firewoods, and he can weigh 7 kg of firewood like this. Post office. So have you ever been to a post office? I'm sure that you must have been to a post office, so your answer will be yes. What different things do people go there for? So people go to post office to send letters, telegrams and money orders. People also purchase envelope, postcard, inland letters and stamps from there. How much does a postcard cost? So postcard cost ₹1. How much does an inland letter cost? Inland letter cost ₹2.50, that is ₹2.50. See, here some old postal rates are given here, right? So look at the postal rates given in the chart. How much will you have to pay for stamps on a letter weighing 50 grams? So here you can see letter weighing number 1, 20 grams or less is ₹5. So weight of a letter is 50 gram. Cost of letter weighing 20 gram or less is equals to ₹5. So if the weight of letter is more than 20 gram, then the cost for every additional 20 gram is ₹2. So for 50 gram, weight of letter is 20 plus 20 plus 10. So total cost paid for the stamps is equals to ₹5 plus 2 plus 2, that is equals to ₹9. So your answer will be ₹9. Akash wants to send a parcel of math magic textbook to his friend Rani in Chennai. The book weighs 200 grams. See the chart to find the cost of posting the book. So parcel rates are given here. For 50 gram or less it is rupees 5, right? So and for every additional 50 gram it is rupees 3. So cost of the parcel weighing 50 gram or less is 5, and if the weight of the parcel is more than 50 gram, then the cost of every additional 50 gram is rupees 3. Weight of the parcel containing a book 200 gram is equals to 50 gram plus 50 gram plus 50 gram plus 50 gram. So total cost to be paid by Akash is 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, that is equal to rupees 14. Thus Akash has to pay rupees 14 for posting the book. Read the weight shown in the picture and find out the cost of sending a parcel of that weight. So here you can see the weight of the parcel 230 grams. So cost of the parcel weighing 50 gram or less is equals to 5 rupees. So if the weight of the parcel is more than 50 gram, then the cost of every additional 50 gram is rupees 3. So now weight of the parcel is equals to 230 gram, that is equals to 50 plus 50 plus 50 plus 50 plus 30 gram. So cost of the stamps will be rupees 5 plus rupees 3 plus rupees 3 plus rupees 3 plus rupees 3, that is equals to rupees 17. So the total cost of sending the parcel of 230 gram is rupees 17. Parcel weight equals to 230 gram. Cost of stamps is equals to rupees 17. How many stamps? Rahul needs stamps of rupees 25 for his parcel. He went to the post office. Only stamps of rupee 1, rupees 2, rupees 5 and rupees 10 were there at that time. Using those stamps, in how many different ways can he make rupees 25? So there are so many ways he can make rupees 25. Can you show 5 different ways? What is the heaviest parcel he can send using stamps of rupees 25? So the 5 different ways are given below. Rahul can buy 5 stamps of rupees 5, that is cost of 1 stamp equals to rupees 5. So cost of 5 stamps equals to rupees 5 into 5, rupees 25. Rahul can buy 2 stamps of rupees 10 each and 1 stamp of rupees 5. So cost of 2 stamps of rupees 10 each is equals to rupees 10 into 2, that is rupees 20, and cost of 2 stamps of rupees 10 each and 1 stamp of rupees 5 equals to 20 rupees plus rupees 5 equals to rupees 25. Rahul can buy 10 stamps of rupees 2 each and 1 stamp of rupees 5. So cost of 10 stamps of rupees 2 each is equals to rupees 2 into 10, that is equals to rupees 20, and total cost of 10 stamps of rupees 2 each and 1 stamp of rupees 5 is equals to 20 plus 5 is equal to rupees 25. Rahul can buy 3 stamps of rupees 5 each and 5 stamps of rupees 2 each. Cost of 3 stamps of rupees 5 each is equals to 5 into 3, that is rupees 15, and cost of 5 stamps of rupees 2 each equals to 2 multiplied by 5 is equals to rupees 10. So total cost of 3 stamps of rupees 5 each and 5 stamps of rupees 2 each is equals to rupees 15 plus rupees 10, that is equals to rupees 25. Rahul can buy 3 stamps of rupees 5 each and 1 stamp of rupees 10. Cost of 3 stamps of rupees 5 each is equals to rupees 5 into 3, that is equals to rupees 15, and cost of 3 stamps of rupees 5 each and 1 stamp of rupees 10 is equals to rupees 15 plus rupees 10, that is equals to rupees 25. Our weight together. A frog was struggling to escape from the mouth of a crow. How can I escape? The frog thought. Suddenly a trick came to his mind. He asked the crow, "Are you good at arithmetic? If yes, then I will ask you a problem. Your weight is 650 gram and I am only 145 gram. How much do we weigh together?" The crow was good at mathematics, so he happily opened his beak to answer. What happened after that? So what was the answer the crow wanted to give? So the weight of the crow is 650 gram and weight of the frog is 145 gram. Total weight of the crow and the frog is 650 gram plus 145 gram, that is equals to 795 gram. Am I fit or fat? See, the chart shows the height and the weight of the children between 6 and 10 years. Temjula years, age 6 years, height 3 feet 7 inches, weight 16 kilogram. Srikund, age 10, height 4 feet 3 inches, weight 23 kilogram. Rabia, age 6, height 3 feet 10 inches, weight 17 kilograms. Vineet, age 8, height 3 feet 11 inches, weight 19.5 kilogram. Kavita, age 9, 3 feet 10 inches and 20 kilogram. So now you also fill the table by finding out the age, height and weight of any of your 5 friends. This you will do it by yourself. Puzzle, how many oranges? All oranges have equal weight. The 2 papayas have the same weight. The weight of the first and the second balances are equal. How many oranges balance the weight in the third one? So this puzzle you try it once, then we will discuss in our class. Another puzzle. There are 3 marbles of the same size, but one marble is slightly heavier or lighter than the other 2. So can you find which is that marble, and if it is heavier or lighter, you can use a balance only 2 times. So this also you try to find out, and we will see it in our regular class. So if you like the video, please hit the like button, and if you have not subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel. Thank you and have a nice day.